Hello everyone, in this lecture we will learn how to generate HTML reports for all our test cases. So first let's understand what is a report in automation testing. In automation testing, a report is a document or output that provides detailed information about the test execution, including what tests were run, their results like pass, fail or skipped, overall execution time, if there are any errors, logs and the environment details. Basically, the reports will give a quick summary of automated test results. So, reports provides a clear overview of test results to developers, testers and any stakeholders. It helps in identifying where and why test failed using logs, screenshots and all. Usually, we generate reports in HTML format, so it can be shared easily with non-technical stakeholders and it's easy to read and understand. So let's see how we can generate report using PyTest. It is very simple. First we need to install a PyTest plugin. So for that let's go to Google. Let me search PyTest plugin. So here you see the first link. This is PyTest documentation official link. So click on this. So here you see all the PyTest plugins are listed here. We need to search for the HTML plugin. So let me just search for HTML. So here I see, right, pytest-html, PyTest plugin for generating HTML report. Let's click on this. So this is the command, pip command, which we can execute to install this. Then here in this project description you can see pytest-html is a plugin for PyTest that generates a HTML report for test results. And here you see the screenshot. If you will click on this, so your report will look like this, where you can see the environment details, the summary, okay, how many tests passed, how many tests failed, if it is failed, why it got failed, okay. So overall details you can see here, okay. So let's install. So let me copy this and let's go to our terminal. So let's paste it here and press enter. So here you can see it shows me requirement already satisfied because it is already installed in my system, but in your system you will get a message like it got installed successfully, okay. So it is installed. Now we will execute all our tests. So let's go to our PyCharm. So here we have all the tests which we have written in our previous lecture. I am not writing any new test. So let's execute those. So here I am just writing pytest -v -s. Now I am not generating any report. Let's see how many tests we have. So total we have 18 tests and 2 tests are failing as of now. So what we can do right now, we will try to generate the report. So for that what we will do, we will write pytest --html equal to report.html. So here report.html is nothing but your report name. You can give any other name also. So once we execute this, we will see one report.html will get generated here, okay. So let me just execute it. So you see it got executed. So here till now we don't have any file, okay. Now you see it came, okay, report.html got generated. So let me right click, open in browser, Chrome, okay. So here we see the complete report. Here you can see the environment details, Python, which Python version we are using, what is the platform, Mac OS you are using, packages, plugins, what and all plugins we have used, and then summary of total test cases, right. So total we have 18 test cases, out of which 16 tests are passed, 2 are failed, and why this got failed, these are the assertion error. So you can see all the details, and here also you see some test cases we are running with the parameterization. So you can see all those details also. You can click on that. See here you see the fixture details also, what and all we are printing. So everything you can see in this report. This is very helpful. You can share this automation test execution report to your stakeholders who wants to understand the test execution details, okay. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.